Hey, everyone! Today, we're diving into a powerful application that can streamline your customer support, a complaint management system, CMS, also known as a ticket system or helpdesk support. This is the login page of the application. After logging in, you'll be greeted by a comprehensive dashboard. This is your central hub, giving you a real-time snapshot of your helpdesk activity. You'll see ticket status, track the number of complaints in each stage, like initiated, in progress, on hold, and resolved. Ticket types and priorities, quickly identify the types of complaints you receive most often and their urgency levels. Submitting a complaint is easy. Here's what you do. Enter details, briefly describe the issue, including the estimated resolution time, in hours, to set expectations. Set priority, flag the urgency level of the complaint. Choose category, select the type of complaint from a predefined list. Describe the issue, provide a clear description of the problem you're facing. The estimated resolution time acts as a built-in timer. If it's exceeded, the complaint automatically escalates to a manager for oversight. Once a complaint is submitted, it appears on the dashboard and sends a notification to the assigned coordinator. Coordinators can view the complaint details, including initiator information, name, contact details, location, if applicable. Complaint summary, priority, type, description. Coordinators can then update status, change the status to in progress, on hold, or resolve to keep the initiator informed. Add remarks, provide updates or explanations about the issue. Viewing a complaint automatically removes the notification highlight. Need to track the progress of a resolved complaint? The system maintains a detailed history, allowing you to see the resolution time, time spent on hold, and each stage of its journey. This video gives you a taste of the complaint management system's core functionalities. For a deeper dive and a chance to try it yourself, visit the demo link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials.